Hey guys, I'm making this one real quick. I want to show you guys you can play Spotify music with your Apple HomePod and maybe even Pandora and maybe SoundCloud, but we're going to find out together right now. You know, this is just the AirPlay method. So I have my Spotify app installed. So now I was just playing some Black Panther. Cannot wait for this movie. And now on the bottom, right? So right now it's playing with my iPhone speakers. And all I gotta do is just tap on this button right here. Alright, so you tap on this right here, devices available. Once you tap on that, you want to tap on AirPlay and Bluetooth. Now, once you tap on Bluetooth and AirPlay and Bluetooth, you just tap on your AirPod. Now, your AirPod should appear right here. Now, this is the same exact menu. It's connected. You tap on play. And of course, you can, and there you go. Right from Spotify. Hey Siri. Pause. Okay, that works. Okay. And also you can have control. You can change the tracks. So I could say, "Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Go to the next track." And there you guys have it. Hey Siri. Next track. So you guys can see. Okay, and I paused it. So it works like that using AirPlay, but it kind of defeats the whole purpose of the HomePod. The HomePod is just your assistant. You play your music using your voice. You don't have to pick up your phone, nothing like that. You know, by then, you may as well just pick up a really nice Bluetooth speaker if that's the case. So that's how you use Spotify. So now, what about Pandora? Now, I just installed the Pandora app. I haven't used Pandora in a long time, but people have been asking me, can I use Pandora? Can I use Spotify? But we're going to find out right now. Logging into my Pandora, man, this is like going back to junior high school days. I have all the classics. So I have Akon, I Wanna Know, Slow Jams, Keisha Cole, Bow Wow. I used to bump Bow Wow back in the days. I should delete this. I don't like Bow Wow no more. See, look, created in 2012. Look at that. Alright, so let's say I want to play some Wiz Khalifa. Okay, see, look, it's playing right here. Woohoo! Yo, that bass. Wait, I gotta stop this. Alright, so you guys can see it works just fine. So now, once you really connect it to your AirPlay, it's just gonna work. Now, if it doesn't, just tap on that symbol on the side there. It's kind of hard to see. I think my brightness is too high, or the camera brightness is. So you guys can see there's like an AirPlay on the side there. Once you tap on that, it comes up with that. You tap on your HomePod and you're all set. You're all good to go. I'm rolling up the windows while I'm smoking weed. Driving through my town like I know the speed. So that's Pandora. All you're doing, you're looking for the AirPlay icon. If it has AirPlay, then it's going to definitely work with your HomePod. But like I said, it defeats the purpose. But hey, do you. Alright, so let's say I want to play, I don't know, let's play this featured one here. I just want to show you guys Cloud. Oh man, you guys, you have this. So really, as you guys can see, it's automatically playing on my HomePod. I don't give a fuck who fucking see my Twitter. I don't give a fuck. It works. And hey Siri. Hey Siri. Next track. And it works. It's a little bit of a delay, but it works. It works just fine. As long as you're connected to your AirPlay, you should be fine. And at any time, you can swipe down to your control center, and you tap on AirPlay, and you tap on your HomePod. So even though Spotify, even though SoundCloud doesn't have the AirPlay logo, maybe it does here somewhere. All you gotta do, you just go into your control center, you tap on that, or your 3D touch, I should say, and then you just look for your HomePod. And as you guys see, I was able to change to the next track. Maybe if I say, "Hey Siri, play," it'll automatically play. So it's not gonna play my Apple Music, so it's gonna automatically control your SoundCloud. Hey Siri. Damn, that's a lot of bass. Pause. So yeah, it takes some time for it to pause, but it works just fine. Alright, so I actually have the iHeartRadio app. Shout out to DJ Steph, shout out to Brandon. Let's see what he's up to. Today's not Wednesday though, but let's see what's going on. This is his radio station here, by the way. And look, The iHeartRadio even have the AirPlay symbol. So that's all what it is. That's all what it is. And then you could play it just like that. But like I said, guys, it just defeats the purpose of having a HomePod. But it's just the convenience of not picking up your phone. You can just control your music. But you will have to use your phone just to stream those music streaming platforms. But hey, it is what it is. Damn, I gotta pay this the old school way. Now it's playing. The Bose Mini. So now it's actually playing. And like I said, anytime you swipe to your control center, your 3D press, your media controls, you tap on that AirPlay. Let's say I want to switch to my phone. Just like that. So all it is just the AirPlay symbol. That's all you tap in, and you just tap on your HomePod. That's how you play SoundCloud, Pandora, iHeartRadio, and Spotify. But yeah, you know, it just takes away from the convenience. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful. If it did, I appreciate it with a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, deuces.